Oh yeah, we taking the Mustang today. Yes sir. God damn, so this is why I'm taking the Mustang, guys. I'm transporting the EK seats and shifter cables and some tires, so yeah, you know, that's just not gonna fit in this 2000. Had to take all reliable. But yes sir, we're transporting the seats and we're on our way to Leo's right now. Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing good. It's your boy Andy. So back with another Civic vlog. Yeah, we're transporting the seats right now. It's hot as fuck. Worked up a sweat just throwing them in here, but I'm hyped. Let's get to Leo's so we can work on the Civic and let's finish this shit. Drop a like if you want the Civic to be finished already, because I know you guys want that shit to be finished already. So do I, and we're gonna get that shit finished. So drop a thumbs up if you guys want to see that shit finished. Hey, I'll trade you the cozies for these.
Alright.
Hey, what? For real?
No.
Guys, we have some crazy ass weather right now. I don't know if you can hear that thunder. Shit just came out of nowhere.
It's raining?
Yeah. Alright guys, so I unloaded the seats. There's the shifter cables. But guys, oh my god, I failed. What a fucking fail. So I haven't installed a shifter because I didn't have the cables, and today I completely forgot to bring the shifter cable plate. So yeah, all I would be able to throw on is the seats. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go pick up the plate so I can throw on the shifter, and then we'll be able to put on the cables. But man, what a fail. That's alright, because it's fucking humid right now. It's still like 100-something degrees right now. It was raining earlier, so it's super humid right now. It's still early, so give us a chance for it to cool down a little bit. Can't believe it though, fuck. It's all good. So we got my bag. The part was in here. The bag was in my S2000. I completely forgot about it. So now we gotta drive all the way back. It's about a 35-40 minute drive, so let's get it. Crazy weather, guys. Alright guys, just got back, and it's a good thing because it was raining and it just stopped not too long ago, so it's kind of like perfect timing. Alright, so this is what I went to go grab. It's the plates for the shifter. And I said fuck K2, so I went with Hypertune.
He'll probably look at you wanting to sponsor you.
Hey, K2, I'm just kidding. Look, I'm broke, so I had to go with some eBay shit, alright? Leave me alone. It's billet though, so fuck it, doesn't feel too bad. Hey, K2, I'm just kidding. If you wanna hook it up, message me. Alright, so this didn't come with any instructions, but we're assuming we're gonna have to drill some holes so we can drill it in. Alright, so didn't think about this beforehand, but in order to run like this shifter setup, it would have been perfect if we didn't cover up the heater core. But yeah, so what we're doing right now is we're gonna be drilling out that little bracket right now, and then we're gonna make just some tiny holes, and so we can feed the shifter cables. Yeah, we should just get that open, but it's all good. Gonna be here for a little while. It's fucking hot, guys. It's fucking hot as fuck. Holy shit. Put in that work though. Look at my boy drenched too. It's fucking hot. We're almost done though. Just gotta drill out a couple more holes. We got the one on the left, and then just doing this one just a little bit more. If you guys mess with the videos, drop a thumbs up. That really helps us out, helps out the videos, and just by thumbing it up, it'll help us just get that much closer to getting a garage with some AC and some lifts and all that. Alright guys, took a quick break. We had to go get Marcel a jump. My boy is stranded. Boy is stranded at Lowe's. Ah shit, what is this? Yes sir.
Hot as shit, boy.
My boy the plug.
Oh yeah. I got you some lunch.
Woohoo!
Holy shit.
Alright, so these are the banners. Got a few of them back in stock, so Go check it out. Website down below.
Yep.
Alright, so these are the new masks, guys. We went through like trial and error basically with the last mask, but these are new ones. These are a complete different type of masks. So yes, sir. They should be up on the website soon too. Just gotta shoot these. The sun is going down, so I still want to throw in the seats in here, and I just want to see what they look like. Yes, sir. I got them a little dirty. Kind of mad. It's all good. I'm sure they'll come off if I clean it. But yeah, I cannot wait to see how they look in here. Alright guys, so I completely lost all my bolts for the seats, for the seat rails. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some more bolts. I'm gonna need 8 of them for both seats. Yeah. My boy over here painting. Alright guys, back in the store. Got a couple bolts in there. That's pretty much what she looks like. I put in the driver's seat, but my boy Big chilling right now. My boy Big posted up. Right now I had to get some food. It's been a long day. Had to go help this guy at Lowe's. We had to go jump him real quick because his cross torch died on him. And yeah, we just came back from Lowe's. Alright guys, so the seats are in. They got reupholstered thanks to McGill. So that's why the material is like slightly different, but they look good. So after looking at this shifter box, it's kind of ugly. It like doesn't go.
It's not kinda.
Yeah, it's really ugly. So yeah, it just does not belong. Cause the feet, I mean, it's kind of like mostly like grays, and then it just boom. So it doesn't really go with the theme.
Hey.
Oh. Yeah, so in the future I'll probably get like a K-tuned one or a hybrid racing.
Hybrid.
One of those, someone. Yeah, cause this shit gotta go. But I'll do its job for now. What would you say the shifter box looks like?
That shit like a reservoir.
Coolant reservoir tank? Overflow tank? Fuck, man. It does.
I told you not to buy it.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Alright guys, so I ordered the 45-degree fitting that I needed, so it's still coming. So that's pretty much it. Just need that fitting and then we'll be able to connect the return line. That's it. Hey, how's this heat got you feeling like?
Oh, wonderful, bro.
Yo, today
I
was
never felt better.
hot, man. So fucking
It's cold as fuck.
Dude, we're all just fucking drained from the sun. We're just...
My boy got back in the same.
Hey, crank it.
Hey, I got a question.
What's up?
I don't know the clutch, but I mean this shit automatic?
Yeah, we converted it automatic. We don't need a clutch pedal
right now?
anymore. No, it's right here. It's literally right there.
Oh. That's tight. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, that's how you convert it to automatic. You just,
fresh,
take
bro.
it out.
Oh, okay, so park.
I would never would have thought about
reverse,
that.
Neutral, drive.
A race mode.
1.
Alright guys, so by the time this video is up, these masks will be live. So
Yeah.
go run it up.
That's what I'm saying.
You know, who knows how much longer this is gonna last. So I know if you're in Cali, you need masks because it's mandated. So hey, might as well be swagging. You know, might as well.
Hey, what if I had an ear down here?
I'll still be your homie.
You would?
No, I wouldn't.
That's fucked up.
No, I'm just kidding. I would. Not. Alright guys, so I still have the Type S oil pump, so next vlog will probably be thrown on that and then maybe start fucking around with the harness and start figuring out that. So yeah, it's honestly not that far guys from being finished. It's really not that much shit. Almost there guys, let's get it. If you guys want to support, drop a thumbs up or visit the website down below.
That's all I'm saying.
Let's get this shit going. Damn, you cute. Gonna make for parking purposes only. Hit us up if you're down for that. This is the best I can fucking do, alright? So don't say shit. But whew, you get the idea. Dude, it almost looks realistic from right here. Dude, holy shit.
Holy shit.
This is a finesse. Yeah, I fuck with this. So say bye to the Rotos. Jesus is probably gonna pick him up soon, sometime like next week or so.
Hey,
hopefully she did.
see them shits again.
So they're gonna be on his coupe, on his EJ. But damn, I cannot wait for these to be on. Alright guys, so comment down below what color you think I should paint these. So ultimately for the car I want to go with like a dark color, so what color you guys think would be dope?
Dookie Brown.
Discuss it down. Dookie Brown?
Dookie Brown.
Marcel said Dookie Brown. If you guys agree, let me know in the comments. But yes sir. Jesus, if you're watching this, pick up these wheels already. Get them out of here. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's vlog. Progress was made on the interior. Looking good. I fuck with it, but yeah, that shifter box definitely has to go. But yeah, cannot wait to throw these on. Again, comment down what color you guys think I should paint them. But if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. If you guys are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell notification so you guys are up to date with every single upload. And that's all I got, man. Let's get this Civic finished.
Yeah. Hey, you should paint them orange like you did on the E92.
Hey, don't. Why you gotta bring that up, man? That's a dark time, bro. Fuck you.
I remember the day that you put the lowering springs on and you dipped LA, and I think your tire popped that day. Did it?
Yeah, I
It'd be like that.
Some shit.
Some shit happened with your tire. I think it went flat or popped.